Hey, today we are going to practice taking the first sound in the word and blending it with the rest of the word to make whole words. This is called onset rhyme. Onset is the first sound in a word, and rhyme is the rest of the word after the vowel. I'll show you, help you practice, and then ask you to show me how you can blend some onsets and rhymes together to make whole words. So, here I have two pieces of paper, and this smaller pink piece of paper represents the onset. This larger orange piece of paper represents the rhyme, which is the rest of the word after the vowel. So here I have a list of pictures, and the first word we're going to practice right here is salt. So I'm going to touch the onset and say S. And I'm going to touch the orange paper, which is the rhyme, and say alt. And then I'm going to slide across the bottom to say the whole word. So I would go S, alt, salt. My next word that I'm going to show you guys is right here, sun. I would go S, un, sun. Last one for you guys I'm going to show you before we practice together is right here, make. Ache, make. Alright, so now listen to me say this new word, and then I'm going to have you join in after. So the word I'm going to do is shirt. So watch me first, and I'm going to ask you to join in. Shirt, shirt. Okay, now everybody say the onset with me. Shh. Good, and now the rhyme, ert. Get ready, everybody, to say the word fast. What word? Shirt. Nice job. Let's do the next word together. Our next word is melt. Everybody say the onset with me. Elt. Everybody get ready to say the word fast. What word? Melt. Our next one is sick. Ick. Everybody get ready to say the word fast. What word? Sick. Nice. All right. Our next word is rat. Say the onset with me. Now the rhyme, at. Get ready to say the whole word fast. What word? Rat. Nice job. We're going to do two more. Our next word is dog. Og. Everybody get ready to say the word fast. What word? Dog. Nice job. And the last one before we move on. Our last word is shop. This one is a little different because it's not the S sound. It's actually going to be the sh is our onset. Sh op. Everybody get ready to say the whole word fast. Shop. Nice job. I'm going to ask around my next word that I want you all to raise your hand if you want to try. This word is cup. So if I call on you, raise up your papers and show me the onset, the rhyme, and then say the whole word fast. All right? Go ahead and try. Nice job. You went k, up, cup. Nice job. Our next word I want someone to try is time. Go ahead and try time. Nice job. I'm. Time. All right. Next one we're going to do is cat. Who wants to try do cat? Go ahead and try cat. Nice job. At. Cat. All right. Couple more, let's try. Who will want to give shoe a try? Go ahead and try shoe. Nice job, you went sh, ooh, shoe. That was perfect. Two more we're gonna do. This word is camp. Go ahead and try camp. Nice job. Amp. Camp. All right. Last word, if you can see it, there it is. That is bake. Let's try. Go ahead. You can try bake. Perfect job. Bake. Bake. Nice job, everybody. So we practice finding and blending onsets and rhymes to make what? Whole words. So what did each one of these papers represent? Why do you think I used these papers to help us? What did this pink piece of paper represent? Yeah, the onset of our words, which is the first sound in words. What did this orange piece of paper represent? Yes, the rhyme, which is the rest of the word after the vowel. Now that we worked on onset and rhyme today, next time we'll be looking at words with more than one syllable and trying to find their onset and rhyme as we try and say the whole word. All right, thank you.